I get asked all the time, what is an SOW and how does it work with the main agreement? So an SOW, or a statement of work, or an order form, whatever you choose to call it, is essentially your commercial mouthpiece. It's a thing that you are going to be putting specific details in for that client. It doesn't work in the same way as your main terms and conditions. Your main terms and conditions should not have any real movable items in it. For example, it shouldn't really have pricing scheduled to it because your pricing will change from client to client. That should be in your SOW. Now, some people put SLAs in their main agreement, and that's fine so long as your SLAs are not movable. They are applicable to every service that you're delivering, or you're setting out how it's applicable to every service that you're delivering, but they can't move on a case-by-case basis. If things move on a case-by-case basis, think of that as what needs to be put in your SOW, because that is where you will put it. Now, how do they work together? Your main agreement will always make reference to an order form or a statement of work. And that's because you can't tackle everything in your main agreement because you will have movable pieces. So check in your main terms and conditions exactly where the words SOW, order form, statement of work, whatever you might call it, where it's listed in the agreement, and then make sure that you have the relevant headers to support it. For example, it might say payment plans will be set out in the statement of work. It won't be set out in the main agreement. Create a header in your statement of work, call it pricing, and there you can put all your pricing in there. That's a really quick whistle-stop tour of how an SOW works with the main agreement. If you've got any questions at all, feel free to DM me or feel free to put your comments below. Thank you.